Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So finally I have my Sephora box, so I'll be showing you guys what I actually picked up in the Sephora VIB sale. Also, I did a shop with me video. If you missed that, I was showing you guys what was in my wish list and the items that I was adding to my cart. I didn't get everything that I added to my cart, so when I got done filming, I saw some other things that I wanted to get. So I have some items that you guys didn't know I added to the cart. If you want to see what I picked up in the Sephora VIB sale, then keep on watching. Show you guys. I haven't opened it yet. See? But I haven't opened it yet and go through the items. I did open one because they sent me one item separately. You guys know I love to do unboxing. I love to show you guys what I actually got. All right, so like I was saying, they sent me one box first. It was a little tiny box. I was like, what's in that box? It was like a little square box. But they actually sent me the powder separately. I guess they shipped this probably from a different location. Not sure, but the powder came in first. This was the Sephora brand Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder. I actually didn't have a good face powder. Actually not like a baked powder, but I have one by MAC that I've been using for years. I don't think it was really a pressed powder, but that's what I kind of use it for. So for example, like my face right now, I'm not wearing any makeup, but because I didn't want to appear like shiny on camera, I went ahead and applied a little bit of the powder. So let me just open it so you guys can see. It looks a little light, but it's actually my perfect like skin tone. But they actually need to go deeper. I don't know if they have one deeper. I think I picked up Espresso, number 85 Espresso. So hopefully they have one or two deeper because there's a lot of people who's darker than me. But I'm happy that I have a baked powder that, you know, you have a little bit more control. Like loose setting powders, they be getting everywhere, especially when you travel and stuff. So I'm looking forward to just having this always with me. I should have picked up two. But I definitely will buy this again. That way I always have one like in my everyday bag. It's nice so far. Applies well on the face. Like I said, I used it yesterday with makeup and then today without makeup. And I think it just kind of tones the skin down. Let's open up this box. So a couple things were my first time like purchasing. And then there were a couple things that I've tried before that I kind of wanted to get again and re-up on. I'm actually very excited for the new items that I haven't tried because it's always nice to try new products. So the first thing I re-upped on is the DERMALOGICA exfoliant, daily exfoliant. This is an exfoliator. It's like a powder. Pour it in your hand, add a little water and use it to exfoliate the skin. It is like a physical and a chemical exfoliant, and I got the sample size. It's easy to travel, and this small bottle is like a 30-day supply. And even though it's a daily exfoliant, I don't use it every day. So this will still last me a few months because I use it like twice a week. So if you haven't tried this, definitely give it a try. Also, DERMALOGICA, they always have sales themselves on their website. So with Black Friday coming up, they more than likely will have a sale. All right, the second one is this moisturizer, which is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. I wanted this, I told you guys, because winter months, colder months, you need something thick. Ooh, look at that. It is so like creamy. Oh, this thing is thick. And I don't even remember if I ever bought the full size because this jar is gonna last me months. This is 6 ounces. And because it's thick, you don't even have to use a lot. Let me just take a little dab and show you guys. Let me know if you want to see like an updated skincare, body care routine. That way I can show you guys how these apply on the skin, face, everything. But I'm going to do a little bit on the back of my hand. Really thick. It's like almost like a body cream, but not too thick. But it just absorbs easily. Like, look at that. Can you see the difference? Like, look how dry this hand is. Look how dry this hand is compared to that one. Really, really nice, and it just literally melts into the skin. They have one for nighttime, but I just picked one that was in general. That way, if I do want to use it during the day, I still can. So This is a good buy. All right, this is a sample size that I use my points to get. You can see a small little bottle. This is just the Herbivore Retinol Smoothing Serum. So it has retinol. So this is a nighttime serum, and I'll probably only use this like once a week. I use my points. Again, I told you guys about that. 100 points to get this tiny little bottle. But because I'm only using it like once a week, it still will last me a few weeks, or, you know, you guys know. I did pick up the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. They have really big bottles of this, but I told you guys, just having a little spray bottle, especially when you travel, is perfect for me. So it is right on time for this vacation. And yeah, they said this stuff is good. I've never tried it, so I'll let you guys know. I can do maybe a little reel or short showing you guys how it's used and if it actually works. So yeah, that's actually a nice idea. I'm gonna do a short video showing you guys how I clean my brush. I picked up another brow pencil. It's the Sephora brow pencil in, it's like dark brown. It says molasses. Let me just open it up real quick. Or lip liner. This is a lip liner, not a brow pencil. I thought it was a brow pencil, but it's a brown lip liner. I only have one or two really good brown lip liners, and those are usually my go-to because most time, like when I wear lip glosses and stuff, I just like to pop on a brown liner, pop on a lip gloss, and go. Plus it's great for if you're wearing a light lipstick. So that's one. It is very creamy, very easy to use, but yeah, it's a nice true brown. And I think I show you guys the Anastasia clear brow gel because I like to just brush my brows in place sometimes because I'm super lazy. Let me see if I can put a little bit on. So it's just a clear gel, like there's literally nothing in it, no pigment or nothing. You guys know Anastasia makes like some of the best brow products. It honestly doesn't feel like you're really doing much, but I'm hoping that that will kind of like keep everything in place. So I'm gonna let it dry for like a few minutes, and then I'll let you guys know how it feels. All right, so I told you guys I had this candle in my wish list. I went ahead and picked it up. I think this is a mini size. I'm in love with candles right now. So it is the VOLUPSPA. Is that how you say it? VOLUPSPA Vanilla Latte Coconut Wax Blend. It says bougie perfuming. Ooh. It has a nice container glass. This smells really, really good. It's a nice vanilla, but it's not overpowering, which is what I like because some vanillas be like, bam, hit you in the face. I can't wait to burn it and see how it burns. But we're gonna wait till after Thanksgiving. Let this little pumpkin spice season go away and then I'll burn it. Down to the last three things. And this, I believe, I added to my cart after filming the shop with me. It is the products from NECESSAIRE. If you're a YouTuber like me who watch a lot of influencers who do a lot of body care, skincare, you guys know they rave about NECESSAIRE. I used to think, I don't know why, but in my mind NECESSAIRE was like 60, 70, 80, 90 bucks. I picked up their, don't know why the box is all open, but I picked up their body wash. It's their eucalyptus. And the packaging just looks nice and clean and sleek. It is their, like I said, eucalyptus multivitamin cleanse, nourish, and balance. I believe it's a Clean by Sephora product. Multivitamin cleanser for the skin. I'll link everything down below because I don't remember the price. But yeah, I just went ahead and picked it up, get a couple dollars off. I think this will last a long time. The way I like to use these products is once or twice a week on those days where you just feel like, I want to treat myself. Like I want that extra self-care routine. Like, you know, some nights you're like shower and go, but there's other nights when you just like set the mood and you want to feel relaxed and stuff. And that is one of the reasons why I got the eucalyptus one. So that's how I'm going to use it. So I'm still going to be using my Olay retinol body wash, but maybe 2 or 3 times a week I'll switch it out and use this one by NECESSAIRE. So the last product set is also from NECESSAIRE, and they had, I don't know why all my boxes are like beat up. Like, look at this. But they had a nice little set with all the products in it. And I thought this was nice for someone who wants to try the products but not ready to commit to the full-size products. So they have 4 items in here. There's actually another travel size body wash in here, which is kind of good because I can take this on vacation with me. But this kit, I believe, was $40 before the sale. Like before the sale brings the price down. This is perfect. If you've seen the NECESSAIRE products and you're wondering, you know, and you want to try them, then check out if they have a kit and try it out. And then you can be like, okay, I love the body wash. Let me go ahead and buy the full size. So 4 items. The first one is the exfoliator. Again, this has 2.4 ounces. So it is a exfoliant, soften, renews, and this is also in eucalyptus. I love the packaging on this, but I'm able to try those together. Here's the travel size body wash. Almost the same. It looks a little lighter than the full size. Just a little bit, but I think it's the same. But yeah, this is perfect. I'm going to take this on vacation. Put this one in the shower. Next up, the body serum. Again, everybody raves about this stuff. We get 1.7 ounces. So I'm able to try it, see if I love it. And I'll apply this all over after the shower. Let me know, again, if you guys want to see an updated routine trying these products on one of my like self-care nights. And then the last product is the body lotion. I believe this is unscented. You get 2 ounces just like the exfoliant. And they're all multivitamin, moisture, nourish, strengthen. Yeah, it is fragrance free. So I can mix the serum with the lotion. And I can also mix the serum with my other body butters, so, or by itself. So I think that's everything. Let me just check the box and make sure I didn't leave anything in here. Oh, nope, I forgot one thing. So I was forgetting one thing at the bottom of the box, which is one of the most important things. And it is the Inkless Cleansing Balm. It is the Oat Cleansing Balm, normal sensitive skin. I didn't even need the sale to get this, but it's been in my cart so long and I finally picked it up. I'm completely out of the cleansing balm I was using, so I've been waiting to open this box so I can finally go ahead and use it. And yeah, it's supposed to help remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. So I'm excited to try this, and you get 5 ounces. So pretty good size, and it's only $10. So now that's all of it. Of course, I got my 2 little samples because I ain't missing these. I got the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Cleanser. I didn't want to get another full-size cleanser right now because I have 3 that I need to finish up. But I wanted to try this so that when I'm out, I can decide if I want to go ahead and buy the full size of this. So I'm going to try that. And this is the Belif Aqua Balm Brightening Vitamin C. You guys know, love vitamin C for the daytime. So I get to try this and see if I like it. So make sure if you guys shop at Sephora, you get those samples, you get those mini products, you get those sets. That is a way for you to try products and save money at the same time. So that is everything I picked up in the Sephora sale this year. But yeah, I think I did pretty good of containing myself during this sale, not overdoing it, but picking up items that I actually really want, like the cleansing balm, the moisturizer, and of course the exfoliant. Those are all things that I needed. And then the NECESSAIRE is just like a little bonus treat yourself moment. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing me unbox what I picked up in the Sephora sale. Let me know down below if you guys have tried any of these products or if you were able to pick up anything in the Sephora sale. Black Friday is coming up, so some of these brands might have sales on their individual like websites outside of Sephora. So make sure you guys, you know, keep an eye out for that. I love to do emails from brands that I want to try. So I'll go on their website, put in your little email, and they'll email you constantly whenever they have deals and sales. So that is the way I like to do it too. So make sure you guys keep an eye out, because I know Dermalogica for sure will have a sale. So yeah, that is everything I picked up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.